The internet is once again buzzing with the rumor of coming cataclysm. The global killer is named the Death Planet, and its arrival is said to be imminent. Conspiracy theorists have made the claim the recent rise in earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, along with the crazy weather many have been experiencing of late, is all because the Earth is about to get a visitor. This visitor comes in the form of the ninth planet, Planet X, or as it's better known, Nibiru. These claims say that the gravitational pull of Nibiru has increased the frequency of these natural events as the planet's path brings it ever closer to Earth. So what is Nibiru, and has it made its way into our solar system? Let's take a look. Welcome to IF, videos on history and mystery. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you never miss a video again. Rabbi Yuval Alvadia, a man who can claim hundreds of thousands of views on YouTube, has been urging people of the Jewish faith to return to their home, Israel, this to prepare for the arriving apocalypse. He recently posted a video in which he says these natural disasters prove Nibiru is on its way. So what is Nibiru, and what is its history, and should we be worried? The story begins with a group of extraterrestrials named the Anunnaki. The Anunnaki are said to be a legendary race who can be found in the oldest writings of mankind. This alien civilization inhabit the outermost planet of the solar system. This planet is said to orbit our sun in an elliptical orbit. When this orbit brings the planet closest to Earth, chaos is said to ensue. This is what brings us to today, with many researchers claiming that the orbit has once again reached the point when this planet comes close to our own. Zecharia Sitchin, author of the Earth Chronicles, wrote extensively on the Anunnaki and the visits they have made to our planet. The Anunnaki are claimed to be the real gods of old, creating humanity to work as a slave race, to mine gold for them. Maybe we can take a deeper look at that in another video. Let me know in the comments if that is something you'd be interested in. Sitchin theorized Nibiru's return after studying a number of historical records, scientific cycles, and mathematical formulas that related to planetary times and orbits. He also worked advanced geometry and his interpretation of complex messages found in crop circles. This an idea I looked at in the video linked above. So what does modern science have to say about this impending threat? The mysterious orbits of objects in the outermost reaches of the solar system are not caused by a ninth planet. These strange orbits that are exhibited by objects in the farthest reaches of our solar system can be explained by the combined gravitational force of small objects orbiting the Sun beyond Neptune, researchers said when they hypothesized about the ninth planet. That being said, an alternative explanation for the ninth planet hypothesis has been put forward by researchers at the University of Cambridge and the American University of Beirut. In this theory, the scientists propose that there is a disk made up of small ice bodies that has a combined mass as much as 10 times that of the Earth. When combined with a simplified model of the solar system, the gravitational forces of the hypothesized disk can account for the unusual orbital architecture exhibited by some objects at the outer reaches of the solar system. The new theory may not be the first to propose that the gravitational forces of a massive disk made of small objects could avoid the need for a ninth planet. It is, however, the first theory in which an explanation for the significant features of the observed orbits while accounting for the mass and gravity of the other 8 planets in our solar system. Beyond the orbit of Neptune lies the Kuiper belt. The belt is made up of small bodies left over from the formation of the solar system. Neptune and the other massive planets gravitationally influence the objects found in the Kuiper belt. Collectively, they are known as trans-Neptunian objects, TNOs. They encircle the Sun on nearly circular paths from almost all directions. Astronomers have discovered mysterious outliers. Going all the way back to 2003, around 30 TNOs, which follow a highly elliptical orbit, have been seen. These TNOs are unusual because they are sharing, on average, the same spatial orientation. This type of clustering cannot be easily explained by our existing 8-planet solar system. This anomaly has led some astronomers to hypothesize that the unusual orbits may well be influenced by the existence of an as yet unknown 9th planet. Well, maybe that planet is known, and it is the Anunnaki home world we have been warned about throughout history. The Planet 9 hypothesis suggests we can account for unusual orbits of these TNOs with the existence of a 9th planet. This planet would need to be about 10 times larger than Earth, lurking in the far reaches of the solar system, shepherding the trans-Neptunian objects to follow the same direction through the combined influence of its gravity and that of the rest of the solar system. Applied mathematics and theoretical physics are looking into finding a less dramatic cause for the gravitational pattern. This is when they, rather than allowing for a 9th planet and then worrying about its formation and unusual orbit, simply accounted for the gravity of small objects constituting a disk beyond the orbit of Neptune. This idea being based on mathematical calculations, not observations. This could mean that in the terms of proven fact, it has less evidence than Nibiru. Nibiru does have thousands of years of legend tied to it, something lacking from this new idea of an ice disk. The Nibiru cataclysm is said to follow a 3,600 year cycle. The Anunnaki homeworld was last said to be this close to Earth during the time of the Great Flood, again a topic covered here. And talking of the biblical flood, there is an astonishing consistency in religious texts and mythologies from around the world which talk of Planet X, sometimes using different names, but all the stories share the same basic core. This brings us to the internet story we opened with. Is Rabbi Yuval Obadiah correct? Many say yes. A group known as Nibiru Truthers claim that NASA is part of a global conspiracy to hide the truth. This to stop mass panic while the global elite escape to the safety of their secret underground bunkers. If Nibiru is real and is indeed in a long orbit, its return inevitable, can we find proof of the conspiracy to hide its reappearance? Many have supported the idea of Nibiru cataclysm. Nancy Leder, founder of Zeta Talk, popularized the idea in the 90s. Lars von Trier's 2011 film Melancholia also helped bring the topic to wider public awareness. The disaster porn that was the movie 2012 back in 2009 also played its part in raising awareness of Planet X. There has only been 2 true planets discovered since ancient times. Nibiru would be the 3rd. It's possible that both ideas could be true. There could be a massive disk and a 9th planet. Do you believe in the existence of a 9th planet? Do you think that planet quickly approaches? Could it be the cause for the increase in natural disasters around the planet? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you like what I do here on the channel, hit that subscribe button, like and share. You can find the latest by searching We Are If. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.